Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia Education. Today in this video, I'm going to interact with Mr. Sayan, who is currently pursuing his master from BITS Pilani Goa campus. This will be truly informative video, especially for those students who are aspiring further to join BITS campus, be it Goa, Pilani, Hyderabad, for higher education courses like M.Tech in different specialization, including VLSI, artificial intelligence, and all. So, in this entire discussion, I will try to put some insights in front of you, all viewers, like what are the scholarship, what are the fee structure, is it wise, that is there any good ROI return on investment by doing masters from the BITS campus. So that all I will be discussing with the Sayan. So Sayan, first of all, thanks a lot for sparing few minutes and speak to us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting me also.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so before we start the discussion, can you tell our audience or can you tell us a bit about your academic, from where you did your bachelor's, which year, what was your GATE score, and what is your category? You are into BITS campus. Are you through the GATE exam or are you through the BITS HT exam? So that student can relate more with you and they can understand in what perspective you are talking further. And also tell what is your specialization here in the BITS score, please.
Hey, hello, sir. My name is Sayan. I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal. So I completed my B.Tech from Techno India in 2020. And after that, due to the COVID year, and I tried to prepare for GATE also. So there's a bit gap in my academic career. So after then, in the 2023, I attempted GATE, but I cracked the GATE, but the score is not that good that I am able to get any good college like IIT or any NITs also. So that's why I attempted BITS HD exam, and with the score HD score, I'm allotted this BITS Pilani Goa campus, and my current course name is microelectronics. It's not VLSI. It's similar to VLSI in many colleges. It's VLSI design or microelectronics, but the main basic structure is almost same.
Okay, so I have a few specific setup questions so for you, right? So very first, you talk about you got your admission to the BITS HT exam.
Mm.
So first of all, I want to know what is the number of questions asked in this exam, and is there any negative marking? And to get successfully into the top branches like microelectronics, what should be your score, and what is the total scoring or total marks of this paper? And is there any negative marking? And how to prepare? I mean, all about the exam. So, is GATE preparation more than enough, or is the paper common for electrical electronics instrumentation? Please.
Yeah, main preparation is the gate. It's bit lower than the gate exam, the level of gate exam, and the paper is only one: electronics and electrical. Both electronics and electrical people can give this exam, and there are
Okay.
I think 50 questions for EC and 50 questions from the electrical department. So
Okay.
it's bit main linear also, because those students who are all preparing for electrical, they are not able to score that EDC and communication part, as well as
True.
for EC student is also not possible to cover up
So
the
it's a
part.
vice versa thing, right?
So my SD score is 114, and the highest
Okay.
score that in my batch is 115 to get the microelectronics in Goa.
Okay.
For embedded,
So
I
you
think
mean to?
109 or 10.
Okay. So can you tell me the hierarchy?
Hmm.
Obviously, there will be good opportunity for all the students, be it microelectronics, communication, embedded. But there will be a bit of hierarchy that mostly the top scorer prefer this, then this, then this, then this. Can you put some light on that?
Uh, when I'm filling the form, I also have my senior. So they told, first of all, I have to prefer Pilani. After
Okay,
then Goa and or Hyderabad, both are same. But
okay,
after coming there and interacting all of the campus student, my preference is bit different. I know I don't know whatever the other student, but my preference first is bits Hyderabad, embedded.
okay,
After then micro, because I don't I'm not insulting any campus, but the lab structure or the faculties are not that up to the mark of the Pilani campus
okay,
from this year and the last year also, because the for in the terms of placement, Hyderabad is the most preferred and most suitable. After then Goa
Right,
and
right,
after then Pilani. This is my.
right, right. Okay,
And
okay, okay.
communication,
Thank
I'm
you.
not able to say because this is the first time that in Goa campus communication department is start. So no previous record is available. So embedded and
Okay,
micro.
perfect, perfect, perfect. So if we talk about there are 100 question, what is the marking weightage for each question? 3 marks, I guess.
3 months, 3 months.
Is there any negative marking?
Negative mark, I don't remember. I think yes, there is negative mark because if there is
Okay.
no, then all the students are eligible to
Right, right,
and
right, right,
put the negative marks.
right.
Yes,
True,
sorry, the electrical marks also.
right, 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 true. So now the next dilemma or doubt in the mind of student is when we talk about the fee structure for BITS campus, it's bit higher, or I can say slightly higher as compared to other institutions, right? So what is your personal intake? If some student is there, like you told earlier, you quoted earlier, you tried for GATE exam, and unfortunately you put effort, they didn't went in the right direction, and you are unable to catch that campus. So if there are some student whose ultimate goal is to get a good placement, decent amount of placement, so is it worth to invest in the BITS campus? What's your take on this?
For the last year, the placement is quite low because of the recession period. Recession period. But for the if I take 2 to 3 years back, then it's
Okay,
100% worth. I mean the
okay,
average package is more than 27 to 28 average package,
okay.
and
Right,
and
right,
because NVIDIA is come, Google hardware is also come, and their package is more than 35.
right, 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 right.
So it's 100% worth to take bits. But if you are talking about the last 2 years, yes, the placement and campus placement is quite low. Okay, just 1 second, my team.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry, sir. Sorry to interrupt. I think my teammate is come
It's
to
okay.
for the
It's
lunch.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No need to say sorry. Can we go ahead?
Hmm. So
Okay. So
yes,
next point is
last to the.
about okay.
Mhm.
You were talking about the placement as it's understood because most of the campus are having the same scenario.
Mhm.
Because right now the things are bit in the low state. If I talk in term of the placement, because of lots of things are going there. Okay. So now coming to scholarship. So as
Mhm.
far as I know that if you join BITS campus to BITS HD exam, also you will be getting some stipend, some significant amount of stipend. Can you put some light on that?
If you are entered through the BITS HD exam, there you have to do TA shift for 6 hours per week, and you are awarded as 13,400 per month. And if you
Okay.
are entered through GATE, then the BITS HD scholarship as well as the GATE scholarship also you get. I mean 12,400 for GATE and for HD 13,400. This both your GATE.
It means if you're going through GATE, you will be getting total around 26,000 approximately scholarship.
Mm.
And through BITS HD, 1,300 scholarship you will be getting, right? Okay. So, Sayin, what about you? Are you enjoying the BITS Goa journey? What is your experience? You are into microelectronics and everybody wants into microelectronics. What's your personal viewpoint?
The faculties, the level of teaching, and the level of the lab, especially the lab equipments are quite good. The instructor is also quite good. That seniors that uh, are the our TAs, those are the primarily who are taking the lab during the lab. I mean, to learn those things that are not able to we get from the classes means there is a software called Cadence. So
Right, right,
in
right.
it's especially using the VLSI domain. Mean the VLSI designing to design any circuit, design what is the optimization circuit, and all these
Right,
things are
right,
not
right.
able to learn in the lab, not in the class. So the TS are most suitable to most mean engage ourselves to put some effort on that. So yes, the lab experience and the projects and the assignments also
Right,
is very good. We can include in also our CV also.
right, 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 right. Okay, so Sayan, finally concluding the discussion, recently the GATE exam was held, right? So now many students will be there who will be not even in position to qualify the GATE. And they are now in the state of dilemma whether they need to go for next drop, take a drop again, or whether it's wise to go with the campus like BITS who are offering a good quality educations, good lab facilities, infrastructures in terms of scholarship and high ROI they are having. The only slight part is that their fee structure is a bit high. So what is
Hmm.
your concluding suggestion to those students? What is your advice as an individual?
If those students were giving the first time and they are not able to get, so I say they can take 1 year of gap. But if more than 1 year is already done, then it might reflect in the CV when they are asked that you are already 2 year or 3 year gap. Then why
Right, right,
I
right,
am choosing you? There is
right, right,
more relevant and more young people that I can get
right,
in the
right,
same
right, right.
space. So in my
Right,
case, there is 3 years of gap. So it might be possible in the time of the placement they ask me also, but
right,
it's
right, right,
already done. I'm not able to get back to the past and repair that. But
right, right,
my
right, right.
suggestion is to 1 year, maximum 2 years is enough, but 3 year gap is very dangerous.
True, 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 true,
So
true.
after GATE, many students can pursue that. There are so many exams, I think, for BAR, ISRO is also there. And for
Right, 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 right.
those students are only determined to pursue MTech. So
Right,
which is a very good option. I mean, three of the
right,
campuses,
true, true,
Pilani,
true, true,
Hyderabad,
true,
and Goa also.
true, 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 true. So, Sayan, it was really a nice interaction with you, and you shared all the relevant information, which will be definitely helping in the coming time your juniors and students who will be aspiring to take admission into academic session for this coming summer. So as I assume this is also the starting of your masters also, a long way to go ahead. So we wish you all the best. Hope we interact and meet soon with some marvelous placement you share with me that I got this placement and I will be, hoping further to meet you again, right? Okay. Thank you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Thank you.